Hey guys, Dustin here, Smoking Eagles Ranch out back with another video for you guys. And today, Matt and I are going to be working on our boat. Now, we don't have a pontoon, you know, the old Cadillac of the sea. We just got this Lund fishing boat here. We've had it for years. We really like it. It's a great boat. But I hate wearing sunscreen and I hate getting baked. So, I was at a yard sale the other day and I saw this beach umbrella for a steal of a deal, and my brain said, "You're a genius. You've got to try it." I came up with an idea on the spot and I'm putting it into action. So I want to put this umbrella on our boat and I want to be able to move it around so we can always stay in the shade, or maybe a slight little rain, we can just kind of chill underneath the umbrella and not get drenched and freeze to death. You guys all been there. So hopefully I can solve a problem for you and for us. You know, I'm the king of winging it, so we're going to take it out on the lake. We're going to give it a try, and we'll let you know whether it fails or it's an epic win. You guys will be right there with us. Hopefully it's a win, and maybe it helps you guys out there. Maybe I spark some ideas in your head, even if you don't like my idea, or maybe you can improve on it a little bit. I don't know. I'm just hoping it works perfect and we don't look like Mary Poppins across the lake. Anyway, guys, let's get on this. Alright guys, so here's our game plan. Originally, I wanted this pipe to go up under here, but it just tucks under too far for our umbrella pole to fit. So, I found a piece of old decking wood. We've cut it down so that we can use it as a spacer. We'll use the rounded edge to go out. We're going to put it right down in there like that. We're going to put our pipe right in here like this. Now, how are you going to attach that, Dustin? I'm ahead of you. We're going to drill a large hole, 2 large holes in this side, 2 large holes in this side. Then we're going to go all the way through our pipe. We're going to drill small pilot holes on the bottom side. That way we can run a couple self-tappers, zoop, 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 and our drill will go right down through everything. And that should hold that right on there perfectly. I don't want to put some big nasty looking strap on this one. Now we do have one for the center seat in the front, and we're probably going to have to put couple pipe straps around it. I may have some around here. If not, we'll make some. But we got to get these back ones done first. So that's what we're doing. So next thing we're going to do is go over to the drill press. We're going to drill those holes, and yeah. All right, guys, so here's what Matt and I have figured out. We got our pipe clamped in here, and we got it in this nice little V block that'll hold our pipe so we can drill on center. And we've determined that we're going to need this little short screw for one side and the big long screw to go through our wood and our pipe on the other side. Now what I've done is I figured out what driver we're going to use that'll reach all the way through our pipe this direction and drive our screws. I measured that diameter. It's like 4.5 or something, so we're going to go with a 1/2 inch hole in the top side, and then we're going to drill a small pilot hole in the bottom side. To do that, I found this cool step drill we got from Harbor Freight, but of course you can buy any brand you want. And it's 1/2 inch at the very top, and I stuck it up here, and when it goes to 1/2 inch, and we punch our top side hole, the diameter that we want, it's actually gonna punch the bottom side hole at the very first step diameter, maybe into the second one ever so slightly, which will give us the perfect pilot hole for our screws on the bottom side of the pipe, just like we wanted. So I'm gonna get this set up and start punching these holes out. We're gonna drill all our pipes, and we'll meet you guys back over at the boat.
So we got our pipe screwed on there, and then we rolled the boat out into the driveway in the sun to try to kind of see how this thing was going to perform. I did notice that the wind was rotating our umbrella, so we drilled and tapped a couple 1/4 holes in here and put a thumb screw in it. I'm going to get a couple more thumb screws, but then you can kind of lock down your umbrella in the position that you want. Now, you don't have to run out and buy pipe. This pipe is from an old trampoline somebody was getting rid of, and I snatched up all the pipes because I thought, hey man, I might be able to use those for something, and hey, I was right. Now, back here, I've got a pipe in each corner in the back. I've also got a 1/4 hole in there for thumb screws. Like I said, I need to pick up a couple of thumb screws. One other thing that was unexpected bonus to this little umbrella, sunbrella modification for the old fishing boat here is when you're not using these pipes, they double as fishing pole holders. So when you're moving to the next spot, you don't have to throw your poles in the floor of the boat and get them stepped on, dropped on, cooler dump all over them. You can just stick them right here, look like a professional, buzz to the next spot, grab your rod, and you're right back in the water. So I'm excited. I think this is really going to make fishing on the lake a little more comfortable for Matt and I, because man, sometimes that sun just gets brutal, and we're not always bait casting, you know. Sometimes we like to just find a nice little cove with a little bit of shade and some trees and just throw a bobber in the water and chat, listen to a podcast, and just have a good time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little mod. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. If it fails, I will definitely let you know. I missed it. Hey guys, so we're out here on the lake and we're checking out the old umbrella mod that Matt and I did on the boat here, and I'm gonna call it a win. It's been sprinkling on and off, a little bit of a drizzle here and there. This thing is keeping me nice and comfortable. The sun's been out a few times, kind of overcast today, but it's been working well at keeping the sun off my back. Yeah, I mean, I haven't hurricane tested this thing. I don't really plan on it. If you want it hurricane tested, you don't have to do that yourself. But as far as this umbrella mod goes, a couple hours worth of time, I'd call it a win. Matt and I even put some little thumb screws in the side here so you can tighten the umbrella down and keep it from rotating on you if you got a little bit of wind. It even doubles as a pole holder. Now, if you remember, I put one there. I put one on this side so I can flip my chair to either side, and we've even got one in the middle in the front up there. Let me know in the comments below, is there something I should have done differently? Something I could have done better? Is there another way to go about this? Does somebody already make one of these things and I was just wasting my time? I don't know. But I think it's a win. I'm going to enjoy the lake here and hopefully catch some fish. At least more than that. And then, yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next video. I'll post some other videos around my melon here, stuff we do around the shop. Make sure you go check that stuff out. And until next time, keep on fishing. Peace.